Hi, I'm Mika. My mom is a lawyer, and every dinner she tells me stories about Indian laws. So I thought, why not share what I learn with everyone? Today, we're talking about plagiarism in India, what it really means, and when it's actually against the law. Plagiarism is when you use someone else's words or ideas and pretend they're your own, without giving them any credit. It's like copying your friend's homework and saying you did it all by yourself. It is important to understand when plagiarism is a legal offense and when it is not. It's a legal offense when you copy something that's protected by copyright and you pretend it's yours or use it without permission, like a song, a published book, or a designer's work. In India, that's called copyright infringement. The law can be very strict. You might have to pay a big fine or even go to jail. Example: if I take a paragraph from one of the Harry Potter books, put it as my creation without giving any credit to the book's author, and upload it online, I can be taken to the court and I could end up in real trouble. However, there are instances when plagiarism is not considered an offense, but it's still dishonest. If you copy something that's not protected by copyright, maybe a very old poem, a calendar, or a book, that's not copyright infringement. It's not illegal, but credit needs to be given. If you write an original story or paragraph based on any classic tales like Birbal or Tenali Raman, that's also not plagiarism or copyright infringement, and hence not illegal. If you copy just a fact, like the first metro in India opened in 1984, that's not a legal offense as well, because facts aren't protected by copyright. If you use a small part of someone's work for things like school research, news, or book reviews, and you always say where you got it from, that's usually allowed as fair use. Example: if I write a report about rivers in India and quote from a public domain book about the Ganga, it's plagiarism if I don't give credit, but it's not a legal offense because the book is old and not protected anymore. But if I use a line from a copyrighted publication without asking, that is a legal offense. In schools and colleges, plagiarism is a really big deal, whether it is an offense or not. While working on research articles or any project, if you copy too much without giving any credit, you might have to redo your work, lose grades, or even ask to quit your course. Some colleges use special software to catch copycats. Quick do's and don'ts. Do always give credit when you use someone's work. Do ask permission if you're not sure. Don't copy-paste a new book, song, or movie and say it's yours. That's a crime. Don't forget, using facts or very old works is not illegal, but it's still good to be honest. So remember, creativity is for sharing, credit is for giving, and only copying protected work can get you into real trouble. That's copyright and plagiarism, Indian style. I'll bring more dinner table lessons soon. Stay honest, stay creative, and stay tuned. See other videos from Mika Simplifies.